What is good, Wiltsey Wildcats? Welcome, 7th grade Wiltsey students. Woo! Welcome, guys. This is our Semester 2 Awards Assembly. This is where we're going to recognize our April Students of the Month and our Semester 2 Honor Roll, Principal's Honor Roll recipients. Guys, we're excited to have you here. We have our administration here with us and our support staff. We have Miss Tuttle right over here, Principal Kabasi over here. I'm so bad at this. Right over here, one of these ways right here. Miss Messlin is down here as well, too. Woo-woo! Miss Corrales, right over here, Dean of Students. Our mentor, Miss DeLuga, right over here. Mr. Joplin, way down there. Mr. Simple, our safety officer. Will? Is that Will down there as well? Yeah, rocking the tie-dye shirt. Congrats. Good job. All right, guys, so we're going to get started. We have a lot of names to read off. We are excited to have you here again, and we're going to celebrate these award recipients. So let's go ahead and get started. We have a ton of names to read off, right? We have 5 categories. This is going to be first for Student of the Month that we want to recognize, and this is going to be for the Student of the Month for April. For Outstanding Wildcat, Most Improved Wildcat, Wildcat Character, Elective Excellence, and Sportsmanship. And we have those 5 categories to recognize amazingness right at our site. So let's go ahead and get started. You guys ready to get started here? Yep. Okay, we are. All right, for Student of the Month, Outstanding Wildcats, 7th graders. For Language Arts, Julie Torres. History, Alexis Urueta. Math, Juan Rosas. Science, Jade McGee. Congratulations.
Solid work, Outstanding Wildcats.
All right, guys, let's move on here. We do have our Most Improved Wildcats, Language Arts, Natalie Aguilar. History, Ibrahim Soto. Andrew Cortez for Math. And Daniela Atilano for Science. Good job, congratulations, Most Improved Wildcats. Thank you for walking the month of April. Wildcat Character, remember these are solid all-around great Wildcats demonstrating amazing qualities. Language Arts, Amina Imud. History, Joshua Calderon. Math, Juliana Lara. And Science, Natalie Aguilar. Congratulations. Good job there, Natalie. For Elective Excellence, we have 4 names. Cyrus Pineda, Fatima Villa Magaña, William Cardenas, and Adrian Reyes. Solid work rocking your elective, guys. Good job. Super proud of you. And I do believe, let's see, we have a week, and then we're going to take it back, take it over to rewind. We did not have sportsmanship for 7th grade this month. What we're going to go and do is let's recap all of our winners for the month of January, February, March, April. Students of the Month. There were a lot of names we covered this semester. We want to give them one final recognition here with us during this assembly, just to, again, give you guys another a virtual high five for all your hard work. So, you guys ready for me to read off all these names? There's a ton of names. All right, let's go ahead and get started with these. Wildcats, Semester 2. Diego Torres Vizcara, Jada Thomas, Michaela Phillips, Jade Leyva Garcia for January. For February, Ejene Mays, William Cardenas, Adrian Garcia, London Lopez for February. And then for March, Cyrus Pineda, London Lopez, Juliana Lara, Darlene Chavez Cardenas for March. And then April, Julie Torres, Alexis Urueta, Juan Rosas, and Jade McGee. Congratulations there, guys, to Outstanding Wildcats. Overdue Most Improved Wildcats. We have Bruni Jacobo Ornelas, Michaela Williams, Ariana Orozco, and Harmony Miller for the month of January. For February, Violet Cervantes, Joshua Calderon, Arlene Bernal, Frankie Hernandez Sendejas. And for March, Marlon Herrera Ramirez, Frankie Hernandez Sendejas, Elmer Silva Centero, Genesis Dominguez. For April, Natalie Aguilar, Ibrahim Soto, Andrew Cortez, and Daniela Atilano for April. Good job. For Wildcat Character, we had January, Savannah Castrejon, Adam Rosales, Damian Carvajal, Nathan Garcia. For February, we had Brandon Perez, Damian Granados, Melanie Vasquez, and Timothy Namindi. And then for March, Ariana Rodriguez, Kevin Vasquez, Guerrero, Jaslyn Rio Santiago, Hugo Carro. And for April, Amina Imut, Joshua Calderon, Juliana Lara, and Natalie Aguilar. Solid work there, solid work. Elective Excellence, guys. Semester 2, we had Joshua Martinez, Kevin Embreeze, Lexi Ubach, Emily Silva, Alistair Pinkerton, Jonathan Carmona, Aiden Chase Gutierrez, Kimberly Reyes, Fatima Villa Magaña, Cyrus Pineda, William Cardenas, and Adrian Reyes. A lot of names there, guys. Sportsmanship, we have Roberto Delgadillo, Jonathan Carmona, Daniel Dominador, Jasmine Gonzalez, and Gael Pompas. All right, guys, welcome back to Semester 2 Awards. We are not done. Heck no, we're not. Guys, we gotta recognize honor roll recipients. This means these are kids that recently achieved semester 2 a 3.5 to a 3.99. That's basically getting mostly A's, B's, maybe a C here or there, but mostly A's, B's for the most part. Rocking honor roll for semester 2 during these unprecedented times. You guys did amazing work. So let's go ahead and read off these names. You guys ready for these names? Yes, heck yeah, we are. Let's go ahead and read off these names. I think we have quite a few names actually, if I'm not mistaken. So let's get going on these. Honor roll recipients: Alan Acosta, Natalie Aguilar, Ailet Alejo Moreno, Ariana Angelito, Fabian Arriaga, Edwin Baltasar Hernandez, Luz Brito de la Cruz, Ariel Bujanda, Hailey Campa Quiroz, Violet Cervantes, and Amelia Chavira. Good job, good job. Guys, we're not done. There's a ton of names here for honor roll. Daniel Dominador, Genesis Dominguez, Nayeli Escandon Gonzalez, Jacqueline Flores Zavala, Giselle Gonzalez, the other Giselle Gonzalez, Aiden Gutierrez, Karen Halim, Saúl Hernandez, Lauren Jimenez, Miriam Juarez Escandon. Solid work, guys. Let's get going here. London Lopez, we're not done. Marilyn Martinez Farias, Joshua Martinez, Natalie Moreno Cervantes, Ivan Ojeda, Rashim Orellano Hernandez, Sharon Orellano Hernandez, Ariana Orozco, Brianna Perez, Alistair Pinkerton, Gael Pompa. Woo! Guys, those are the P's. We're not done. We are not done. Taylor Quinn, Kimberly Reyes, Kayla Romero, Adam Rosales, Juan Rosas, Liana Ross, Liliana Sanchez, Elmer Silva Centeno, Jaden Thomas, Araceli Torres Vizcara, Diego Torres Vizcara. I'm not sure if we're done. Let me see. I don't think we are. Oh, we are. Good. Woo! Guys, that was amazing. Solid work.
You guys rocked honor roll. Solid work. Good job.
Guys, now we're down to principal's honor roll. These are students that rocked straight A's for semester 2, guys. During these difficult, crazy times, these people, these students, these amazing Wildcats basically rocked out their grades, right? They got straight A's. So let's go ahead and recognize these students for their achievements. Semester 2, principal's honor roll. Ready to go? Heck yeah, we are. Let's go. Alexander Alvarado, Damien Carvajal Garrido, Jonathan Carmona, Leilani Gamboa, Rooney Jacobo Ornelas, Jade Medellin, Joey Nguyen, Sirius Pineda, and Vanessa Rodriguez. Congratulations. Solid work, guys. Guys, that was amazing right there. Principal's honor roll students. Solid work, guys. I'm super proud of you, super proud of all your hard work and effort throughout the semester. As we're going to wrap up our semester 2 award assembly with a little attendance incentive drawing for recognizing your amazingness with attendance and showing up to school on time every day, ready to learn in the Zoom setting and even in person as well too now, right? So let's go ahead and recognize 10 amazing Wildcats that we'll be receiving. Are we doing pizza again? Heck yeah, we are! As we'll be receiving pizza delivered to your front door. DoorDash. There we go, guys. We're going to show you these 10 names, 10 recipients. Let's get going with these names. Jacqueline Dueña Rocha, to begin with. What else we got? We have
Melanie Rios Sierras. Good job, Melanie.
Kevin Ovalle. Maya Vivaldo. Congratulations, Maya. And these are all mixed grade levels, guys, so you may not know some of these names. That's because they're in another grade level, but we're all together in this one big pot, earning possible pizza. Jose Bravo. Who else we got? Amira Stewart. And we have Camille Robles. Congratulations, Camille. Thank you for showing up to school every day, on time, ready to learn. Yolanda Valenzuela Ledesma. Beautiful name. Edwin Larios. Solid work, guys. That was it. We had 214 entries and 10 winners. Solid work, guys. Woo-hoo! Good job. We're going to go and show you these names again one more time. Jacqueline, Melanie, Heaven, Maya, Jaylene, Jose, Amira, Camille, Irlanda, and Edwin. Congratulations, guys. Solid work for your amazing attendance. Guys, again, we'll be delivering pizza to you very shortly. Our wonderful administration team will be delivering those for you guys, so expect that hopefully very, very soon. And then lastly, let's see, just as a recap reminder, students of the month recipients will be receiving a certificate in the mail along with a student of the month window claim for you to display your car, your house window, wherever you'd like. Principal's honor roll and honor roll recipients, you guys will be receiving dog tags for you to display your awesomeness around your neck, and then a certificate also mailed out to you in the mail. So please be patient with that, but hopefully we'll get those out to you super soon. And then I think that was pretty much it. Miss Huddle, would you like some parting words here for amazing 7th grade class?
And 7th graders, you did such a great job this year. We are so proud of you. We are just impressed with your resiliency, and you have learned a lot of skills this year that I know will help you in your future endeavors. So we're just so proud of you. Have a great summer. Keep reading this summer and be ready for hopefully being back in person next year, where you will be in 8th grade. So congratulations, everyone.
Congratulations. Guys, thank you so much for joining us throughout this entire year. We've done virtual assemblies, virtual award distribution the entire year. I hope to see you guys in person next year. Let's hope that everything works out as planned. And but thank you for joining us along the way here and for sharing in this excitement and just in the accomplishment of everyone here at Wiltsey and our 7th grade students as well too. Okay, thank you so much, guys. We'll see you at a safe summer. We love you.
Just look. Grab your destination.